Oh my God. This is WTF Beauty, where we test out the beauty world's weirdest, wackiest, most WTF beauty products. Today, I'm gonna be testing out the contour curve, and at the end of it all, I'll let you guys know if it's worth your money. I have never contoured, I've never tried to contour, never learned how to contour, but this product promises to make it really easy, simple, and quick for a newbie to learn how to do it. So you can use the contour curve for 3 different parts of your face. This little hook part goes around your ear so that you can contour your cheek with this part. This side is for contouring your jawline, and then this little skinny end piece is for contouring your nose. I'm gonna be evaluating the contour curve on 3 things: how easy it is to use, how accurately it contours my face, and if it actually fits my face shape, because it claims to fit all face shapes. I am gonna be testing out the contour curve with powder contour and a contour stick, just to see if a different medium makes it work better or worse. Looking at the product in my hands right now, I feel like there's no way this cannot work. It's just so simple. Like, I don't know, it's a flexible, like, piece of plastic. You just hook it on your ear and draw. It seems too easy to fail. We're gonna start off using the powder contour. Let's start on my left side. Ooh, tuck the hair back. Point it to the lips. That did hit my cheekbone, like exactly. Oh, oh no. I gotta blend it. I gotta blend this out. All right, let's try to do my jawline now. Oh, I can see the contour. Like, I can see the contour. My nose looks so straight. Do I have a crooked nose and I just didn't know? Because this looks straighter than my nose normally. Yup, that looks good. Ish. So let's get started by using the contour stick. Oh my God, I've never had a jawline until right now. Can you tell a difference? I feel like I can see my bones more. This side just looks a lot more round and plump, and this one just looks more bony. More chiseled. I think it's a little bit more difficult to use than I expected, just because holding it against my nose and trying to get a perfect angle, you kind of have to maneuver around a bit to get it just right for your face. But other than that, I think it did what it said it was gonna do. It helped me stencil out where I was gonna contour and did make the process a little bit easier. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and see how I look afterward. I expected the contour curve to work, and it did. I think it contoured very easily. I was nervous being new to contouring because I'm not sure. I don't know how things work with contouring, what looks best on my shape, so I kind of just winged it, made it look as best as I could. But I do think that having the contour curve helped my experience. I think that it contoured well. Even though I haven't tried contouring out before, I can definitely see a difference in my face. I think that because the contour curve is flexible, it did fit my face really well. I wasn't struggling too much with that, and it has the possibility of fitting a bunch of other face shapes. It's true that you could use like a credit card to contour your entire face, but something about using this tool made it a little less intimidating for me, and it came with these instructions that really helped me figure it out on my own. I think $20 is a pretty steep price for a plastic tool though, I will say that. Do I think that the contour curve is worth it? If you're someone like me who's new, doesn't really get it, and just wants help figuring out how to do it, absolutely. I can see this helping a lot of people. It's meant to be a learning tool, and it definitely helped me out today. That is a thick line. Oh boy. Okay,